traffic congestion in Beijing has cratered by nearly a third in the first week of August and is falling elsewhere in China too, as a new COVID variant gains traction there, threatening the outlook for global oil demand. The potential for more oil demand destruction goes beyond China into most of Southeast Asia, including Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, and others. This latest outbreak is less about the numbers than it is about Beijing's response. So far, there were fewer than 500 new COVID cases reported in mainland China between July 20th to August 3rd. But China's response is decisive. The rise in the number of infections in China has had an immediate impact on how people move and the corresponding use of gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. China has already issued strict lockdowns. It has suspended ride-hailing services in some regions. It has suspended issuing entry and exit documents for non-essential, non-emergency travel. And it has asked residents of all 31 provinces to stay within their provincial borders unless necessary. All domestic flights in Nanjing and Yangzhou have been cancelled, and 13 rail lines have ceased operations. Wuhan residents must test negative before leaving the city, and the plan is to test all 11 million residents of the province. China has sealed off other residential areas too for mass testing. With this level of intervention, it's easy to see how a few hundred cases could change the amount of oil called for on a global scale. One researcher from CNPC's Economics and Technology Research Institute said that this time, 5% of the world's oil demand could be stripped away by China's lockdowns. That would dramatically impact oil prices, which have already fallen as a result of the latest coronavirus surge. Nevertheless, China's strict lockdown measures will likely have only a short-term effect on prices, at least if the curb is successful.